Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can get CapCut templates if you don't have the template tab. I think this will work, but let's just try. Go to TikTok and you are going to go to Discover. Then in the search tab you are going to find you're going to search for CapCut templates, and then you are just going to browse through the templates you want to use. Let's just use this one, and as you can see there is this CapCut sort of button here, and you can press on it and it will take you to CapCut and open the template, and you're just going to press use template in CapCut. Then you are going to press this use template button on the bottom corner, and you are just going to choose some pictures. So go to photos, and I am going to just choose some pictures, and then I'm going to press this arrow, and then I am just now going to press export. Actually, I'll just watch the video first and see the results. And then press export, and to export without watermark, you will have to go, it'll make you go straight to TikTok to post it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.